Njeri wa Muigai riu niarikite kumbura ndeto ya Kûmakania na oho tukirora an update on baby Simon kana karia kerega gukorwo gakirescuo ni mheshimiwa Njeri alongside Paul Waiganjo na Kenyanya and his wife kuria mathire mucii kuria kana gaka hamwe na brother yake maraikaraga na gukora a very painful situation no ni macokire guteithura kana kau na magicoka gatwara thibitari na Akenya magitiga riu makienda kumenya what happened next and most importantly how is baby Simon doing. Na riu Njeri ona nginya Paul Waiganjo ni marikitie kurekereria an update ni magitariria how now the boy is doing na wa mbere magikiuga currently he was placed under high dependency unit ni gukorwo ena very severe health complications na oho Paul Waiganjo ni oborete ati the boy despite being 7 years old only weighs 9 kilograms condition imutigite riu atekwota kuria irio directly akiuthira kanwa and he can only now be fed through tubes no ni oborete he is in safe hands thibitari na ena medical team iramutungata wega muno and they are hoping for the best na makihoya Akenya mathio na mbere kumuiga mahoya-ini. Ino ari ndumiriri ya Paul Waiganjo akiuga update on baby Simon Mwangi, the 7-year-old we rescued from Nyandarua County, Ol Kalou constituency, Kajiri ward at Ngorika Center. Simon is currently admitted in hospital and is under care in the high dependency unit HDU due to severe health complications, more importantly malnutrition. At just 7 years old, Simon weighs only 9 kilograms and his condition has left him unable to eat directly through his mouth. He is being fed through tubes to ensure he receives the necessary nutrition. The medical team is working tirelessly to stabilize him and we are all hopeful for a quick recovery. May God in heaven heal this innocent soul. Na riu kuri ndeto irikite kumburwo ni Njeri wa Muigai. Njeri niatariirie kiundu giakorirwo gia kumuhanikira. Niekorire ena muici nyumba no atekumenya. In the name of a house help, muiretu andikite wa wira no agikora muiretu ucio no kumuiya amuiyaga na kumugaya atekumenya o kahora. The lady, she says, ati had rented a house nearby her home na riria Njeri agura indo cia nyumba na gwika shopping muiretu ucio agayaga in secret na kuiya na agacithamiria nyumba iyo akoforete. Na Njeri agikiuga it became worse tondu acokire kuona nginya nguo imwe igithie missing ona nginya beddings na agikiyuria kai kurathi atia, and that's when she realized and discovered that her house help was stealing from her. Rugano ataririe Akenya akiuga nini hiyo ulifanyiwa na house help na hujawahi sahau? Mimi wangu alikuwa amerent nyumba karibu na kwangu. Kazi yake ilikuwa kunihamisha tu polepole shopping, clothes, wear. Before I knew it, she had hamishad me even beddings. Nginyaruge orwa chapo, what is your experience? Agekira ma fans ake maikarage mehugite tondu you never know who is living in your house. Ndungimenya mundu fiyo ucio urehete gwaku nyumba no ikorwo ona no urakunyamaria.